Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Piano Academy by Yokee Music app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Piano Academy is a guided learning app designed to help beginners and intermediate players learn piano through step-by-step video lessons, interactive exercises, and song-based practice. The app teaches music theory fundamentals like notes, rhythm, chords, and reading sheet music. It also listens to the notes you play through your device's microphone or a connected MIDI keyboard, giving you real-time feedback so you can correct mistakes instantly. Piano Academy includes an on-screen touch piano, daily practice routines, and a large library of classical and modern songs you can learn at your own pace. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users like that the lessons are beginner-friendly, structured, and easy to follow. The real-time note detection helps build accuracy, and the song library keeps practice enjoyable. It's especially helpful for learners who want clear progression from basics to more advanced pieces. The app also works well for users without a physical keyboard, thanks to the on-screen piano. However, there are drawbacks. Many popular songs and advanced lessons require a subscription, and users sometimes report that the note detection can be inconsistent depending on microphone quality. The pacing of lessons may feel slow for experienced players, and the app requires consistent internet access for many features. In summary, the Piano Academy app may be worth using if you want structured piano lessons, practice feedback, and a large song library to learn from. However, if you prefer fully free learning resources or want highly advanced training, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.